Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kartika Plaza Street during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. In this video, I will explore Kartika Plaza Street during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. And now it's 8:30 p.m. on Kartika Plaza Street. Actually, in this area, there is a lot of hotel and shop, and usually always busy with the tourists before the pandemic corona. But now, because emergency lockdown for Bali, so it's very quiet at the moment. You can see, right side, left side, all the shop is closed even at 8:30 p.m. And there is not so many cars drive around on this area. In few days ago, I already explored this area in the day, so you can compare during the day and the night time. Left side is Babagam. Right side is big hotel, Bali Garden Hotel. Look pretty but quiet. Actually, this in the left side, this is for the Boom Park. For sure, the night time is closed. There is Bamboo Cafe, left side, also closed. Actually, in the right side, there is a Discovery Mall Bali, but also closed. You see that? Very dark and no people there. If you want to know the condition at the moment in Kartika Street, you can find on this channel. So you can compare how the different during the day and the night time. Right side is Kartika Hotel. You see? The road looks so empty, isn't it? There's no people there. And on the road looks so quiet. I know, I think more than million people around the world, they want to know the real condition at the moment in Bali. So you can share this video for information to other people. I think they will so sad on this video because Bali is look different as before. You see right side, left side, actually there's big hotel there. Really big hotel, but it's so quiet and so empty. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you want to support this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also hit the bell because I will always update the new condition in tourism area in Bali. It's look very quiet, isn't it? Like nothing activity there. As you know, Kartika Plaza is very famous street, and usually there is a lot of people walk around in this area. And you see the right side, there is Lipo Mall, big mall in Kuta area. Lipo Mall Kuta, and they close. Yeah, we hope together this pandemic will be over as soon as possible, so we can live like normally and start the business again. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.